Hi there! Welcome to my channel. My name is Carmela Baylon. In this video, we are going to talk about the possessive determiners and possessive pronouns. But again, before we start, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell because I upload new video every week, and so you will get notified every time. Now, let's start with the lesson. Possessive determiners is a word that shows possession and is followed by a noun. We use these words to show who owns or possesses something. Kung sino ang nagmamay-ari. For example, my, your, our, his, her, its, and their. Possessive pronouns are pronouns that show possession or ownership. This is used after the verbs am, is, are, was, or were. For example, mine, yours, ours, his, hers, and theirs. Except for it. We don't use it as a possessive pronoun. Now, you might say, it's confusing. They seem to be similar. And they both show ownership, right? Pareho silang nagpapakita ng pagmamay-ari. We can use a possessive pronoun instead of a full noun phrase to avoid repeating words. For example, this is my cat, not your cat. Sounds repetitive, right? It is already clear that we are talking about the cat, so we don't have to say it again and again. Let's change this sentence a bit and get rid of the repetition. Okay, palitan natin ng possessive pronoun para di na siya paulit-ulit. We can say, this is my cat, not yours. Or you may also say, this cat is mine, not yours. Notice that mine replaces my cat and yours replaces your cat. Another example. I didn't have my book, so Jenny lent me her book. Again, it sounds repetitive, right? My and her are possessive determiners. And again, we can remove the repetition in the sentence. I didn't have my book, so Jenny lent me hers. Hers replaces her book, so we don't have to say the word book again and again. One more example. Is that Michael's car? No, it's mine. The sentence says, no, it's mine, instead of saying, no, it's my car. Because that would be repetitive, right? Magiging paulit-ulit ang salitang car. So we use a possessive pronoun. Mine. Let's have more examples for better understanding. Let's see the difference of the sentences having possessive determiners and a sentence having possessive pronouns. This is my bag. Sa Tagalog, ito ang aking bag. Let's see how this would look like with possessive pronoun. This bag is mine. So instead of saying this bag is my bag, we say this bag is mine. Sa Tagalog, ang bag na ito ay sa akin. Another example, that is your new bike. Sa Tagalog, iyan ang iyong bagong bike. With possessive pronoun, that new bike is yours. Sa Tagalog, ang bagong bike na yan ay sa iyo. This is our school. Sa Tagalog, ito ang aming paaralan. This school is ours. Sa Tagalog, ang paaralan na ito ay sa amin. Nakikita niyo ba sa Tagalog ang pagkakaiba ng possessive determiner at possessive pronoun? Another example, I used his book. Sa Tagalog, ginamit ko ang kanyang libro. With possessive pronoun, the book I used is his. Sa Tagalog, ang librong ginamit ko ay sa kanya. That cat is her pet. Sa Tagalog, ang pusang yan ay kanyang alaga. That pet cat is hers. Sa Tagalog, ang pusang yan ay sa kanya. The dog is waving its tail. Sa Tagalog, ang aso ay iwinawagayway ang kanyang buntot. Again, we don't use its as possessive pronoun. Their house is big. Sa Tagalog, ang kanilang bahay ay malaki. The big house is theirs. Sa Tagalog, ang malaking bahay ay sa kanila. Do you notice the difference between possessive determiners and possessive pronouns? My bag, mine. Your new bike, yours. Our school, ours. His book, his. Her pet, hers. Its tail. Their house, theirs. Tandaan niyo rin ang posisyon ng bawat isa. The possessive determiner is always followed by noun. Lagi siyang may kasunod na noun, while possessive pronoun is always preceded by a verb. So, lagi siyang may verb sa unahan at wala na rin siyang kasunod na noun. Is the lesson clear to you now? Let's have some exercises. You are going to choose the possessive determiners or possessive pronouns that best complete each sentence. My or mine, Mom bought that bag. It is her or hers. The math book belongs to ours friend Ralph. It is his or his book. This is my or mine album. This album is my or mine. We have watched your or yours video. That video is your or yours. That is their or theirs car. That car is their or theirs. Were you able to get all the correct answers? It's not so confusing after all, right? You just need to practice and create your own sentences using these possessive determiners and possessive pronouns. So that's all for possessive determiners and possessive pronouns. I hope you learned from this video. And if you think this video is helpful, please click the like icon. If you have a comment or suggestion for my next topic, please drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe! Once again, thank you, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!